40 chord has a central angle of 18 degrees. The stationing of PI is 10 plus 88.10 meters. Use chord bases. Okay, determine the radius of the chord, determine the length of the simple chord, determine the stationing of PT. Okay, so na-type contest, this is equivalent to 20 meter na. Standard pa na. Okay? Wala ko ito sabihin. Ano ko kubalik? Kubalik yung baksa. 20 meter na to 10?
27. 20.
20?
20.
Karong pa ko basa guys. Karong pa na. Recall na, karong pa na recall. Okay? Record na. Nalalo na taking this. And then, use chord bases. Okay, so ato ba ito doon eh? For the record. Okay, so ato ba ito doon guys? We have okay, gamit ako doon tangent, no? So tangent for degree chord ba ito? Ito, 20 divided by okay, so we have 40 degree chord, no? 40 degree ba eh? Okay, so connect, that's half 2. Okay, so that is tangent over 2 degrees is equal to okay, 10 meter. Okay, divided by which ang gamit ang tagpantas ay sine. So sine 2 degree is equal to 10 divided by 11. So 86.54. Okay, 54 meter. So that is the radius, no? Next, sabi the length of the simple chord, no? So kani, length sa simple chord. Okay, so since ang gihatag na rin is kitagatag central angle of 18 degrees. So kani, central angle ni ay na kani 18 degrees. Okay, kani radius. So we can solve the length of the chord, no? So we have the length of the chord. Okay, length sa chord is equal to okay, r theta na ni r theta. So that is radius of 286.54 times theta of 18 degrees. Na-convert natin into radian, that is 5 rad over 180 degrees. Okay? So, pinalihan sa corpus.
90.02.
90.02 meter. So, that is the length of the corpus. Next, determine the stationing PT. Okay? So, ang ihatag yan, stationing sa PI 10 plus 88.10. Okay? 10 plus 88.10. So, mga tubatan, we need the length of the back tangent. Kaya ito silipuan. So, let's say this is X. Okay? So, tubatan, so the value of X, gamit ako sa test in tangent, no? So, that is tangent of 18 over 2 degrees is equal to X divided by R. So, that is X divided by radius of 286.54 meters. So, what is the X value? 45.38 meter. Okay, so kanan mga kabata, determine the stationing of PT. So, ang stationing sa PT class is equal to the station. Okay, let's start sa class as 10, no? 10 plus. Okay? Plus. Kuala plus. Kaning, times pa ni. Okay? So, kanina, times na ang pasabot na class, kumabot ng 100 at nag-1 direct. No? Gawas ko na yung 0 na class. Pwede ka mag-1,000 limit. So, ang representative class, ang 1 na represent 200 lang. Okay? So, atong button, that is 88.10. Okay, atong balan, 88.10 na PI naman ba? Ano no? Okay, PI. Okay, and then minus sa X. Okay, minus sa X, 45.38. Yan. Ikan na rin sa PC. Okay, PC naman eh. Atong ka sa PT, mag-add lens sa curve. And lens sa curve is 90. So, 90.02. Okay? So, pila rin kasi total ako.
132.
132. Okay, may, ang 100 plus, i-add rin. So, this is station 10, lagi ito, 10, 132 point, plus 74. Okay, so, ang atong answer is station 11, plus 32.74. So that is your answer.